Hello friends, welcome back. Friends, today we will discuss how to do chakra healing and chakra activation in detail knowledge. Many people don't know how to do chakras. There are many guided videos on this, but today I am going to explain in detail how to do chakras. So let's start the video. As we enter into spiritual journey or twin flame journey, we realize that we get awakening. We come to know that we have to do chakra meditation. And why chakra meditation is so important in this twin flame journey. As we do chakras, our issues comes on surface like our anger issue, our jealousy issue, our fear issue. All these issues starts coming in our life on the surface, and we have to realize those issues and heal those issues. Because of that, it is very important. Unless and until we heal our issues, we can't move forward in our journey and reunite with our partner. Because of that, chakra meditation is very important chapter in twin flame journey. So now let us discuss how to do chakra meditation. There are many guided videos on YouTube and other sources where you can do chakras. Many people tell me that is it safe to do chakras without a guru, or what are the timings at where we should do chakras. There are many questions and many doubts related to chakras that I am going to clear now. Yeah, you can do chakras without a guru, but if you have a guide or a guru, then it's very good, because the guru or a guide helps you wherever you have any doubt or any fear while starting a chakras. That's why if you have a guide, it's well and good, but you can also get information from various sources. Nowadays it's electronic media, we have got so many sources. From that we can get chakras information, but chakras is very important. As we all know, we have 7 chakras in our body. As you can see in the picture itself, where is the chakras located, you can see, and each chakras, the color is also mentioned in the picture, you can see very clearly. How some people do 7 chakras, all 7 chakras every day, like 3 to 5 minutes every chakras. But when you do only 3 to 5 minute chakras, all 7 chakras every day, you are only healing, you are only healing your chakras. You are not activating your chakras. It is when you activate your chakras, your issues starts getting healed, and you progress in life. Because of that, activating chakra is very important. And how to do chakra activation, that I will discuss right now. If on every chakra you have to select 1 or 2 chakras every day, and for 15 to 20 days or 1 or 2 months, unless and until that chakra is activated, you have to do the chakras. You have to do the chakras for 20 to 25 minutes daily. Start from root chakra, it is the best, because root chakra, we have so many problems associated with root chakra only, like fear, anxiety, depression. So it's best to start with root chakra and sacral chakra. When you activate these 2 chakras, move next to another chakras like solar plexus chakra, heart chakra, then throat chakra, then third eye chakra, and the crown chakra. In majority of the cases, crown chakra of everybody, 90% of the people, the crown chakra is activated. You have to do chakras every day. You have to activate the chakras every day. It is the most important thing for twin flame journey. Once your chakras are activated, all the chakras are activated, you can do only 7 chakras every day for 20 to 25 minutes, not beyond that. Once all your chakras are activated, because after activation we only need to balance our chakras. Now I am going to tell you how to do chakras. As you know, our root chakra is based on the base of our spine, as you can see in the picture. When we do root chakra, you sit in a lotus position And your spine should be straight while doing chakras. And close your eyes and imagine that a red color energy is there at their root chakra, and chant the Bij mantra of root. Lam. This kind of vibration should come when you are chanting. This vibration helps to activate your chakras, and please do it for 20-25 minutes daily. And the color of the root chakra is red. Similarly, you can do for sacral chakra. For that, the color is orange. Imagine orange color, and the Bij mantra is Vam. Vam. Then for solar plexus chakra, the color is yellow, and the Bij mantra is Ram. Then for heart chakra, the color is green. Imagine a green color energy over there, and the Bij mantra is Yam. Then comes the throat chakra, the most important chakra, because many people don't get communication from their partner because their own throat chakra is blocked. So it is very important to activate your throat chakra. So the color of the throat chakra is blue, sky blue color, and imagine sky blue color over the throat chakra, and imagine, and the Bij mantra is Hum. Then go to your third eye chakra. There you have to imagine a violet color energy, and the Bij mantra for that is Om, and it is the most important chakra of our body, most important chakra. Your third eye chakra gets activated now. You get so much downloads in your life. You start getting answers of your life. It's the most important chakra of our body. And then the last chakra is crown chakra. Some people prefer to sit silent and close their eyes while doing crown chakra, but I do it by chanting Om only, because Om is a universal Bij mantra, so you can chant it for crown chakra also. One more thing, guys, when you are doing chakras, you have to visualize that the chakra is rotating in a clockwise position. You have to see or imagine that your chakra is rotating. Like for root chakra, you have to imagine a red color chakra of 4 petals. It is facing downwards and moving in clockwise position. When you will imagine this way, so slowly your chakra will start getting activated, and you can feel, and the starting you will feel vibrations, you will feel some kind of sensation at your chakra place. But unless and until the chakras start rotating, it is not activated, guys, because for activation the rotation of chakra is very important, and it has to happen for each and every chakra. So whichever chakra you are practicing or activating, that chakra will start rotating in few days when you do it regularly. Another way of also activating a chakra is by Om chanting. If you are doing Om chanting, or if you are doing Kriya Yoga, then also chakras get activated. Kriya Yoga is the best for activating chakras. You can do that also. That's why I keep telling to chant Om mantra, because Om is universal Bij mantra, and it is a universal mantra for activating your chakras. And one more thing, guys, some people ask me at what time we should do chakras. The one most important thing is that don't do chakras after sunset, because when we do chakras we are generating positive energies, so negative energies tend to attack us. So doing chakras in the after sunset is completely no. Though the best time for doing chakras is between 3 to 5 in the morning, but everyone can't afford to get up so early in the morning. So the best time is early morning time, 5 to 7 also, or 5 to 8. That is also good. Or in the afternoon at between 11 to 1, and in the evening between 5 to 7 before sunset. This is the best timings of doing chakras. This is one of the best timings of doing chakra. And the chakras you have to do is empty stomach, completely empty stomach, because it will help you. Otherwise half of the energy of your will go in digestion of your food only. That's why empty stomach is best for doing chakras. Hope guys I have explained a lot about chakras and you have got some clarity. You can give me some comments if you want some clarity. I can help you in this regard. Okay, thank you friends. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.